Okay, so this video is to release a new product here at Weave, and that is a marketing tool that allows you to build segments and send text messages to your customers directly from the WeaveIQ platform. We saw a lot of our customers struggling with companies like Alpine IQ and Daily Story, so we wanted to build a super simple outreach program directly in the point of sale, and that's what I'm going to show you now. This product is going to allow you to target certain customer groups, send mass text messages, and see the performance of the campaign directly in the point of sale. You'll be able to see things like win-backs, total revenue generated, and how many people that this text message campaign reached. All right, so to get there, we're going to go to the marketing tile. We're going to go over here to the text campaigns, and this is going to show you all of the different campaigns that currently exist. Obviously, I don't have any yet, so let's build one together. To start a new campaign, you'll click on the plus in the bottom right, and you'll be presented with this form. So I'm just going to name it October Deals. And then you can choose a segment. Right now we only have two, so one is everyone, which seems pretty self-explanatory, and the other is over 60 days. So this will target any of your customers who have not shopped in the last 60 days. With the segments, we plan on making these a little bit more targeted in the near future, so that might be something like people that have recently bought edibles or people that favor certain brands, things like that, and that's something that we can build based on your feedback, so that is coming very soon. The frequency right now, we have one option, which is one time. We do have planned in the future to be able to schedule these, so if you wanted to do like once every month or once a week, that sort of thing, but right now it's just one time. And you have the ability to schedule the time of this segment. So let's just say I want this to go out at 3:20 today, so in about an hour. And then you'll be presented with the content. So we have a few options here. Number one, you can just type in a landing page message. So I have one kind of pre-made. I'll just paste that in here to save some time. But this would just be a message like, come on by for some sweet deals. The other option is to add a landing image, and this is, I think, a little bit more powerful and better in terms of marketing. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to add a landing image. And all this is just kind of like a flyer. So you can see now I have kind of that same message overlaid with an image of the Weave logo. So the way this is going to work is Weave is going to send a text message to all the people in this segment, and you don't have a lot of control over this just because of the regulations in the text messaging world for cannabis. This is what the message will say. It'll just have your store name, and then you have a new notification. The customer will then click on that link, and that'll take them to whatever you have here in the landing page. So with the way I have this set up, it'll show just a website with this little flyer on it so they can see that. All right, so I've got my phone pulled up here so you can see what it looks like. So they'll get a text message, they'll follow that link, and this is what they'll be presented with. It's just a website with that flyer that you've added, or just some text if that's the route you chose to go. So they'll open this, they'll see the message or the flyer, and then they'll be able to start shopping immediately. So this will then show you all of your scheduled campaigns that have been either queued or completed. So for this one, you can see the audience and then any errors and any revenue that we calculate you got from running this campaign. The errors are just things like the carrier blocked the number, or the message was not delivered for some reason. So you'll see a list of those errors here. Inevitably, a few of those will happen for every campaign. If you want to go in here and edit the campaign, you can do that. You can click edit and you'll be presented with that same form. And the same goes if you would like to delete the campaign before it runs, you can do that and it will no longer run. Or if you want to delete any campaigns that had already run, you can do that as well. Okay, so this is a campaign that has run through the Weave system. So you can see there was 23,000 delivered with no errors and an estimated revenue of around $17,000. And this campaign did generate 94 winbacks, which is pretty neat. And then here we just have a little bit more analytics on the campaign by day. So if you want to kind of look and see how it performed, you can do that. So if you'd like to get set up with the text messaging campaign functionality, you're going to have to reach out to us. We do have to submit some information to the carriers. So once that's approved, you can then use it. So feel free to reach out to us. You can get our contact info from the support page, or just email us directly at support@weaveiq.com.